One of the most pivotal parts to your sales process is creating urgency, all right? So we're gonna write urgency up here, but nobody really enjoys creating the urgency for their customers. We all feel dirty, like we're doing scare tactics or something like that, and I'm no different. I don't like doing that. So the best way that I have found to create urgency with your customers is to show them their house. And you're like, what? Colin, they live in their house. What do you mean show them their house? Well, we're taking pictures. We've done 3 inspections. If you're wondering, you've done 3 different inspections on this house, Colin? Yeah, go back, watch the other videos. You can find them here. But we do 3 different inspections. And throughout that, we're snapping photos, photo after 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 photo. And this is of all the issues with their home and how we can help solve that problem. Now, the goal here is to not just like make their house look like a piece of crap. The goal here is to get them to be like, ooh, yeah, I gotta fix that. Ooh, yeah, that should probably get taken care of. Oh, do you think that is caused by not having gutters or whatever service you do, right? That's our goal in leading them down this trail, is to get them to think that your solution, your service is the solution to that problem, because it is, right? So we show them their house. 2, we ask questions, all right? We ask them questions like, how long do you think this will last in that condition? How long has it been like that, do you think? Did you know that this was like that? What's your game plan for getting that fixed? What's your game plan for preventing that from getting any worse? Those type of leading questions that lead them down the path of like, yeah, this needs to get handled now, right? You're not saying like, this needs to be handled right now, Mrs. Smith. Nobody likes to be told what to do. Think about that. I've got a 6-year-old daughter. I love her to pieces. But if I tell her to do something, there's a 100% chance that she is not going to do it. If I ask her to do something and she gets to feel like she's in control, there's a much higher chance. This still is not a 100% chance she does it, all right? Let's be clear. But there's a much higher percentage chance that she actually does that. And then if I ask the right questions to lead her down the path of like, oh, I'm really cool if I do this thing, then there's a 100% chance that she's gonna do that. And the same thing happens with our customers. If we ask the right questions, there's a 100% chance that they will buy our solution. That's it. So in order to create urgency, we don't need to tell them and scare them. No, we just ask the right questions and show them the pictures of their house, and the rest will take care of itself. Our goal is to ask the right questions that gets them thinking that this needs to be resolved now. It's 100 times better if it's their idea than if it's our idea. You're no different. I can promise you that. If somebody tells you, if the government tells you you have to do this, you are a lot less likely to do it than if they kindly suggested you do it, all right? So there you have it. That's it, all right? This is one of the most pivotal parts to building urgency. Show them and ask the right questions. I guess I'll put on here one final thing. Don't tell them, all right? Ask questions, don't tell. That's how you win bigly. That's how you get to give bigly.